was cut off. What was the question?
Yeah, you're audible, Sai. Your voice is clear.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, what was the question actually? The voice was cut off in the middle, so I
I
couldn't have
was
who's here.
I was wanting to know your experience so that,
Oh,
we can start from wherever you guys are comfortable with.
Hmm.
actually, we hold only 1 year of experience in service now, but
Mm-hmm.
because our consultant who was requesting us to take training on HRSD, as he was getting many opportunities on HRSD,
Mm-hmm.
so we were trying to explore HRSD module. So
Mm-hmm.
I have only 1 year of experience in service now
Okay. And
at in ITAM and ITSM.
okay. And like you were saying, you have only 1 year of experience service now. So do you hold any other experience as well other than service now?
Other than service, no, I don't hold any technical related, like IT related experience.
Okay. So in total IT, you have 1 year of experience. That's good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And you understand ITAM and ITSM well.
Yeah, I would say I understand ITSM better than ITAM, but yeah, if
Mm-hmm.
you go with the metrics, I can
Yeah.
say around 80% of ITSM and around 50% of ITAM.
Okay. No use of
Hmm.
ITAM here. We'll be discussing
Okay,
only ITSM related things. So you're good.
okay. Yes.
Okay. And what about you, Arun?
So I have a total of the same like 1.5 year, maybe you can say, of IT experience, and
Mm-hmm.
I started my career with Workday,
Oh,
and
nice.
yeah, then I worked as a documentation for a while, and
Mm-hmm.
then I and Sai switched to the present consulting that we are working for, and we do generally ITSM related modules. So most of our tasks which include like service catalog and maybe update sets and kind of a thing. So we work on the very basic development stuff that is there. So building POC concepts for a person,
Mm-hmm.
and that's how we do it. And so I understand the system of ITSM, how it is working, or what are the modules in it, and how it is being developed and all. And a little experience with scripting, like not so professional, but I can manage scripting from my side. I have done a couple of business rule tasks in the past. Uh, that's it, like not very extensive IT experience guy or something.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Hmm.
And I'll start with my introduction as well. I was waiting for Karthik actually, but since
Oh,
he's
Yeah.
not here,
Oh yeah,
but
we'll
that's
if
okay.
will.
we'll move forward.
Yeah. Okay. So in total, I have 10 plus years of experience. I started my journey with ServiceNow itself 10 years ago in 2015 in the month of July. I was a fresher at that time and did not know anything about ServiceNow. But slowly I started liking ServiceNow. Initially, I was always wanting to move into core development practices, but now I like ServiceNow. And I have been working with HRSD modules since 2019. So initially it was called as HRSM, HR Service Management, not HRSD.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it used to be HRSM earlier. Then back in the year 2018 or 19, they introduced HRSD. So I have been working on this. And when you said Workday, I liked it because that was my very first integration. Sorry,
Yeah.
excuse me.
No, no, it's yeah. So like the part that I worked in Workday was like I used to write design documents for the integrations that they used to build.
Hmm.
So so it's like so when we build integrations or enhancements for Workday team,
Hmm.
we generally go with the documentation. We start with BRDs, which are called like business
Yes.
which documents,
Requirement document. Yes.
requirement documents. And
Yes.
so when the requirement comes from the business analyst, I am the one who
Hmm.
writes the documentation for a,
So,
it's kind of like a support job that I used to do, kind of a thing.
okay. So yeah, so that was something that was my very first integration. And
Mhm.
Workday, earlier there was no integration, out of the box integration with ServiceNow. Later on, they came up with all these things, the out of the
Mhm.
box integration
Mhm.
and all. So that was the first thing I did with HRSD. And yes, I did my CTA like 2 years ago. So
Mhm.
I'm a certified technical architect from ServiceNow itself. And
Great, great. Yeah.
yeah, I have worked with service-based companies, I've worked with product-based companies, and right now in my current organization, I'm leading as an architect for the UK region.
Okay.
Oh,
You. Mm.
Yes.
So do the modules actually change from country to country because of the compliance, or like mostly like because
No.
like when we
Mm-hmm.
come to the human uh, management and all,
Mm-hmm.
so most organizations, do they, I mean, fall under the same country? Because when I was picking up these ITSM module, I learned that there are certain differences in ways that you do implement these modules in differ from one country to another kind of a scenario.
Yes. So that comes actually, I'll tell you that actually comes under GRC.
Okay.
That is risk and compliance things.
Okay.
But uh, like there you will read about GDPR and all those things.
Mm-hmm.
So there are compliances, especially Europe, UK, they are very strict. So they do not want their data to go out. They don't want anybody to see anybody else's data. So they're very strict about this. So yes,
Okay.
there are different ways. Like we'll talk about it in the later sessions, maybe
Okay.
if
Okay.
this
Okay.
goes well, definitely. Then we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
So then tell you that how modeling things can be done, how deployment can be done, how you
Okay.
can how you can manage projects as well. Because in future, uh, like right now, it's just 1 year of experience, but after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, you'll also be taking up the lead roles, right? Then you'll have to
yep.
manage data as well. Right now
Mm.
you are
Yeah.
given the data as is. Like you do not know how it is being, like there are workshops, there are 2 to 3 months of discussions goes on, that how are we going to actually manage the development,
Mhm.
because
Mhm.
we don't want things to be visible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So there are many things which we have created. So
Uh,
uh, to start with, okay, now let's start with HRSD, okay, because this is a very
Mhm.
okay.
short call, we have only half an hour.
Okay.
So to start with it, could you please tell me, like, do you guys understand like you guys both told me you have worked on ITSM, so you guys
Mm-hmm.
must be understanding about the server side script and client side scripts.
Yeah.
Okay,
So.
that's good. And do you know that, do you know a difference between catalog item? Like Arun, you told me you have been developing catalog items as well, right?
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah.
And Sai, you are also doing the same?
Yeah.
Okay. So, uh, do you know there are different type of forms as well? Like, do you know record producers?
Uh, no.
Okay. Hi, Karthik.
Hi.
Okay, we were waiting for you.
Yeah.
Uh, I just had a quick chat with Sai and Arun, and we discussed about the experience you
Uh,
have. So I hope you also have similar experience.
Yes.
Okay, so I actually just started. I introduced myself as well. So for you
Okay.
also, I'll just give a brief introduction. So I have 10 plus years of experience, and I have been working in HRSD since 2019. And
Okay.
I will be able to guide you guys through what are the real life examples, what actual implementation do we do under HRSD. Okay,
Yeah. Okay,
so
ma'am.
Okay. So now I was just starting and I asked them that both of them have created catalog items. So have you also created catalog items?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And just one thing to all the three of you guys. From next time onwards, we will have this call on video because then it's
Okay.
better, right?
Yeah.
I know
Yeah,
everybody
sure.
must not be prepared right now, but from next time onwards, we'll have on video.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So the first thing is I was talking about catalog items. So catalog
Mm.
items are basically nothing but forms where the person fills those. The fields are populated with certain things. You submit them and then you get the REQ, RITMs and then the tasks, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
But have you guys seen incident forms and problem forms?
Yes, sir. We did.
Yeah, I
You guys have
mean,
seen
like,
the back end of it,
yeah,
right?
Mhm.
So on the back end, if you fill the forms, they are very cluttered. They don't look that beautiful. If I ask you to compare the beauty of incident form and a catalog item, which looks more beautiful?
I would
we could
say
definitely say
catalog.
catalog. Catalog item looks much better there. Yeah.
Right. So in the same way, if we talk about record producers, so record producers are something like they are also forms, but instead of creating REQ, RITM and task in a flow,
Mhm.
what they do is they create records so you can attach them to incidents, to changes, to problems, to HR cases, where which
Okay.
we are going to use. Okay.
Okay.
So you now coming to the HRSD module, where HRSD module can be used. Let's suppose, let's take the example of taking leaves. That
Mm.
comes under HR, right?
Yeah.
So if you're going to apply for leave, sometimes the forms can be very cluttered and you can make them more beautiful, right? That I'm requesting leave for 7 days. The dates come populated. Like suppose you select 10th, the 17th will be auto populated. That it ends on 17th.
Okay.
And you just submit it. When you
Mm.
submit it, it will go for approvals. So
Mm.
those kind of things, like in HRSD, the very first thing is create the HR case management, that it
Okay.
goes for approval and your manager will approve it. Okay.
Okay.
Now imagine other things which needs your HR approval, your leaves, right? Maybe booking a conference room.
Mhm.
Suppose your client is coming and you want to book a conference room, then also you need to take approval from HR because certain meeting rooms are booked only and only for, the high-end customers. Correct?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Then let's talk about um, maybe your pay slips. You were
Okay.
expecting that there will be no deduction, and suddenly you see that there has been a deduction of 5,000 rupees for your XYZ thing. Whom will you go to? Your HR,
HR.
Yeah. Yeah.
right? Then there can be policies. Suppose you want to understand if you want to switch your role after 18 months,
Mhm.
then who will help you out with it?
HR.
HR,
HR.
right?
Yeah.
You want to leave the organization. Your HR says, okay, I will match your package, but instead of that, you have to stay back with us for the next 2 years. And for that, you need to sign a contract. This
Mm.
conversation between will be again between you and the HR,
Yes.
Yeah.
right?
Confidence.
Yes.
Then when you get onboarded to a new organization,
Mm.
Mhm.
there are many things which happen, right? When you leave an
Yes.
organization, there are many steps where
Mhm.
there are exit interviews happening. Then you have to submit your ID card, you have to submit your laptop. Who helps with all these things? It's a HR
HR.
process, right?
Yes.
So that's why you see so many openings for
Okay.
service
Okay.
now.
Got it.
So HR is a big thing. But the very basic thing to start with in HR is HR case management.
Okay.
That is, how will you manage the cases? Whom will it go to? Now, again, I'll give you another example. Like, suppose all the organizations they give you health insurance, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
sometimes your wife or your parents are added to it automatically. You don't have to pay anything extra, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Now, Sai gets to know that Arun is getting this option that he can add his parents free of cost. But for me, they are charging 10,000 rupees per month extra, sorry, per year extra to add them to
Yeah.
my policy. Whom will he
Mhm.
reach out to?
It,
HR.
yeah,
How will he reach
HR, of
out to them?
course.
Via an email?
Via,
By an email.
yeah.
yeah, if there is no service now, then via email. So if there is a service now, instant maybe.
Not an incident.
Sorry, sorry,
Then
not
it would
instant.
be a
Sorry.
HR case. In
Mm.
Yeah,
HR,
exactly.
we have HR cases. Now, how will a HR case be resolved? It will go to the benefits team, right? It
Mhm.
cannot
Yeah.
go to the
Okay.
payroll team, correct?
Yeah.
Mhm. Mhm.
So I'm just giving you the overview of HRSD. Don't think that I'm telling you anything related to service now. Okay, all
Yeah.
this will be
Okay. Okay.
covered, but this is just the overview so that you understand how HRSD will work.
Okay. Okay.
Now, Sai will raise a case, and it should, like, how it will be helpful. Either it can go and sit into a service desk team, and service desk team is going to assign it. Okay, this goes to benefits team now. This goes to payroll team,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
Or else, what would be better? We have been hearing about automation a lot in the last 1 or 2 years, correct?
Yeah.
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 Won't it be good if Sai raised the query for benefits, it gets automatically assigned to the benefits team?
Yes.
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 But
Automation.
Obviously, it will be good.
how do you decide whether in generally when we build our ITSM cases, what we do is so we write the trigger conditions, or maybe we write that this particular test box if contains a certain word or a certain set of words, and you frame them in with using and or,
Hmm.
and if then you can proceed it to the certain scenario or maybe the next form or the next incident. So that's how we try to automate the set of things
Incidents.
in ITSM.
Right.
So so
How do we
so
do it in HRSD? I'm coming to
yeah,
that.
okay.
Now we want to send size query to the benefits team and Arun because he was facing payroll related things, payroll related issues. His query needs to go to the payroll team.
Mhm.
Hmm.
There comes HR services on top.
Okay.
So for you, for the back end people, sorry, so for the end user, they will simply go and fill the form. All these things happen in the background. That okay,
Mhm.
this is a record producer. It says payroll query. If payroll query is submitted, then the HR service will be payroll dispute. If payroll
Okay.
dispute is there, it will definitely land into one of the specific tables.
Mhm.
Now, if they are belonging to the specific tables, then definitely payroll query will sit in payroll table and benefits query will sit in benefits table. But
Okay.
for these two tables, what is the parent table? It is the HR case table. SN underscore HR underscore core underscore case. Like
Okay. Mhm.
task is the parent table for incident, problem, and change,
Got
Yeah.
it.
and requests.
Yeah.
So SNHR core case table is the parent table of all these differentiated tables.
Okay.
Now, going to Arun's query, how do we decide for this?
Mhm.
The first thing can be HR templates. So all this must be looking like jargons and French to you guys. And if any one of you guys knows French, then it must be looking like something else to you.
No, no.
So we'll sort out this French later. But then there could be
Okay.
HR templates. So there could be, if HR templates are not used, then we will have assignment rules.
Mhm.
There are assignment rules within HRSD. which you can use where you will put in the conditions and basis which the HR task will be automatically assigned.
Mhm.
Now, out of the box, there comes the other things. I think I went into too much into HR case management. Okay, let's come out of it. Enough of HR case management.
No, no, you can go ahead. If we have any doubts, we will be asking you. Hello.
Sorry, somehow my call got dropped. So, okay.
Uh,
So I was saying in
Okay.
HR case management, let's come out of it and let's discuss something else. Um,
okay.
now, have you guys seen workspaces?
Yes.
Do you want to see HRSD workspace?
I mean, like I do have a personal
Uh,
developer instance. So does that support the all the functions of the HRSD module, or
Yes, yes, it does.
okay,
okay.
So,
okay,
like I'm telling you, HRSD and templates and all, you can definitely go and check all those things out. It would be really
okay,
good.
Okay.
okay.
Okay, now, okay, so check out the workspace yourself. You will like it. It looks very
Okay.
beautiful.
Mhm.
So, have you guys heard about dashboards?
Yep.
Yeah, dashboard. You mean like the ones that with
Uh,
like
I
so
would say if
for
you
different.
guys look dashboard, if you like the look of the dashboard, then
Hmm.
it is
okay.
at least 50 to 100 times better than that.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay.
I think it. Yeah.
Okay. Now, the other things like I talked about case management a little bit.
Hmm.
Then you have, I was talking about onboarding journey and offboarding journey, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because it has a lot of processes, it has a lot of teams involved. So, have you guys heard about order guide?
Yes. It's. I've just. Yeah, I didn't know about order guides. Like instead of going through number of forms.
Hmm. It would be one
So
after the other.
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So
Yes,
you give
correct.
the number
Hmm.
and like you give the a certain number for
Hmm.
that, and then one will be triggered only after the
The
last
first
one
one is done.
is completed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So that is the same thing, almost similar thing. That is the life cycle events, or you can say employee journey management. So it's a
Mm-hmm.
journey, right? When a person
Mm-hmm.
gets onboarded, it's like a journey. Like they come, first of all, they'll give you their pay slips, documents, and all those things. Initial
Mm-hmm.
15 documents. Once those are verified, then the HR might come back to you and say, okay, you were saying that you have 5 years of experience, but on your resume, I only see 4 years of experience. You say, oh, sorry, I gave you the wrong this CV. Please, this is
Mm-hmm.
the new one, right? Then after all these things, you get onboarded. You start getting mails. Only 15 days left to join your organization. 7 days left. Then 3 days left. Oh, today's your joining date. Then usually when you go into an organization, you have a temporary pass when you go and collect your laptop, right? Those are all manual steps, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Somebody sends it to you via an email. That can be
Yes.
automated too. You get your, let's suppose you get your temporary pass on your mobile and it has a scanner.
Uh-huh.
We do some
Mm-hmm.
integrations on the back end. The person goes, their temporary pass gets scanned and they are allowed the entry, right? That
Hmm.
can be done.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So that
Good. Yeah,
also
yeah.
comes under service now,
But
HRSD.
okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Okay.
So instead of giving an physical pass, here we are doing it with a service now.
No,
So as
no,
you were saying,
we are not
generating an
doing
ads.
it. It's not out
Okay.
of the box. It is something I'm giving an example that can be done, that can be configured.
Oh,
A real
okay.
life situation where you can use HRSD. Like when you're
Mm.
giving after a month or so, when you start giving your interviews and people ask you what all you worked on in HRSD, you will give such examples, right?
Okay. Great.
If you guys don't mind, so like you are doing it to switch the organization, or you're doing it to stay here and to grow more in the current organization?
Yeah, we
I,
are definitely looking for a switch kind of a
Okay.
thing. So
Okay.
and like but the thing is, we are like we also want to join a couple of staffing organizations that are available readily, and those staffing
Hmm.
organizations says that they can put
HRSD.
put us on a contract for an organization that is
Hmm.
like a urgent requirement kind of a thing. So before
Okay.
that, they asked us to pick up our
HRSD.
pick up knowledge in HRSD and also like go with the certification. Uh,
Okay.
so I thought like it is, and Vijay is like a brother, kind of a, like an elder brother cousin kind of a thing for me, and Vijay got trained in GRC from HKR group, and he
Okay.
recommended you guys, saying that. So you guys taught him GRC and he's doing pretty well. Like so, I thought like
Hmm.
okay, let's contact the same guys, and that's how I came to know about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then fine. What's next? In HRSD, when we were talking about case assignation, right? So there are
Mhm.
different things, there are different ways. The first thing could be that it gets assigned to a person in a round robin fashion. That okay, Sai, then
Yeah.
then Karthik, and then Arun.
Mhm.
Then again Sai,
Mhm.
Karthik, Arun. It goes in the same fashion. But there could be a case that maybe Sai got the first HR case, and
Mhm.
Karthik had less load. So it will get like bases the load. So suppose on the first day everybody had zero HR cases. So
Mhm.
one got assigned to each one of you. Later on, let's say by the end of the day, each one of you had 5 or 7 HR cases to solve. Let's talk from the perspective of a HR agent. Now, Sai worked the whole night and he reduced the count from 7 to 8 to 1 or 2. Okay. Now the next day, when the assignations again happens, it will go to Sai because it will check, oh, Arun still has 5 HR cases to solve. Karthik still has 7 cases to solve. Now whom does it assign it to? Sai, because he has the least load.
Okay.
Okay. There's one more way in HRSD, that is basis the skill. So suppose there are 10
Mhm.
people in the group, but you assign a specific skill to only to 2 people, and you mention that in your HR service also, that okay, these HR
Mhm.
services should get assigned only to the people with with that X specific role. Now only 2 people, let's say Karthik and Sai had just 2 role, out of the 10 people only Karthik and Sai has those. So the HR case will be visible to all the 10 members of the group, but who can
Mhm.
work on it? That is Sai and Karthik.
And Karthik. Mhm.
And it
Okay.
will always happen like this, that it will either get assigned to Sai or Karthik and nobody else. Because sometimes
Okay.
you do not want people to work on cases, instead, you just want them to have a look at it.
So it's a
Mm.
kind of a role based on roles, right? As
Skills, not,
yeah.
they are HR skills.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what else can we discuss today? All the normal things like predictive intelligence, performance
Mm-hmm.
analytics, and like these also are already included in HRSD. These are the basic platform things, right? So
Okay.
they work with HRSD too.
Okay.
Then coming to, okay, yes, you guys must be aware about, how do I phrase it? Let's suppose there's a person who has been harassing me in the office, maybe
Okay.
mentally, and he keeps on giving me the difficult tasks. Maybe my manager is
Mm-hmm.
not good with me. I'll report it to
Mm-hmm.
my HR,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So earlier there was a like we talked about HR services and all, right? So there used to be a COE, another jargon for you to search today. So there
Uh,
used to be a
hmm,
COE as employee relation. But
yeah.
later
Mm-hmm.
on, Service now decided that it would be separated from the COEs and instead they
Okay.
made a plugin for it. So that also
Mm-hmm.
comes within HRSD. But if they want to use it, so the process and the flows and the other things are different in that module. So it's a sub
Okay.
module of HRSD employee relation. So that is
Okay.
also very good thing to know. If you go somewhere to give interviews, you can say why I worked on employee relations too, and just just you know name 4 or 5 terms from it, and they'll be like, oh, nice, he has worked on it well.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay.
and also, yes, once you leave the organization, you guys must be like, if you have worked, like you guys told me, you have IT experience, which is of 1 year, but you have got other experiences too, right? Outside IT.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Yeah.
So if you leave an organization, you get an email that to get your ITRs, ITR, sorry, this Form 60, last six
Yeah.
months pay slip,
Yeah.
and your release letter, separation letter. Those will be populated on XYZ portal. Use this XYZ, this is your user ID, this is your password, and you can use it whenever you want, right?
Yeah.
So you become alumni.
Yeah.
So within HRSD, the Alumni Service Center is also there. So there are portals where HRSD people, so no, sorry, the people who have left the organization can go log in and have a look at a very specific things. When you're within the organization, you can you can ask 100 of the questions. Maybe you can request change of mouse, headphones, laptops, but you won't be able to do it once you're outside. So you need a different portal for that, correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is provided by HRSD, that is Alumni Service Center. Okay, what else can we discuss today? I think this is pretty good for the overview.
Hmm.
If you guys have questions, please ask.
So, as of now, I don't have any questions. So, HRSD is a module which covers all HR things, right?
Hmm, correct.
Mm-hmm. Actually,
And
sorry to hold you. We weren't prepared on this. Thing.
for this call,
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Like
you
I
don't
mean,
have to
we have.
apologize. It's fine. Even I was not prepared.
Hmm.
So, so, uh, so Palak, going
Palak.
forward from here, oh, sorry,
Palak
Palak.
is spinach.
Oh, I'm
Palak is
sorry. I'm sorry.
eyelashes.
I'm sorry. So,
Just a little bit in difference in the pronunciation and it spoils my name.
yeah, yeah, I'm sorry.
It's
I didn't
okay.
mean to do it. So going forward from this, so how would so I just wanted to know so we will be discussing about the theory part that we expect, like what each kind of in a module in HRSD that we do. And
Mhm.
then, will there be a task that I can work on myself going back, like after
Yes.
the class or in the
So that
PDF?
Yes.
we can get
Yes.
hands-on experience on that.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what
Exactly.
like so
Right.
so the theory part is good. Like I can I mean like when you say I can note down it or write down it and
You
yeah
don't have to.
get a glimpse of
I
it.
am
But
telling you, uh,
but
I I would prefer what I can do going ahead is that
mhm,
by the end of the day, like today, it was all verbal, right?
yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
I just gave you a little bit of jargons to go and understand.
Hmm.
COEs, topic
Yeah.
detail, topic category, HR service. Just
Hmm.
like today also I can give you a little bit of things like you
Mm-hmm.
guys did not know about record producers. I would have suggested like today if it would have been a formal call, it was a demo call, right?
Yeah.
My
Mm-hmm.
first thing would be like since you guys do not know how record producers work, the first thing would be please go and create a record producer only for incident form. Maybe
Okay.
today you can take it back as a task. So that when we start, even I would want this, that when you start working on it,
Mm.
you know, uh, it shouldn't be just theoretical things, because nobody
Mm.
asked theory, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's why I asked you the other question as well. Do you want to grow within your organization, or you're planning to switch? So like you guys
Which
said, you guys are planning to switch, and also you are looking
Mhm.
for other other staffing companies which can place you.
Yes.
So for
Yes.
those
Yes.
things, they will definitely, when you have the client rounds, sometimes they do ask for client rounds. So when they have
Mm.
client rounds, they will ask you that what all you have worked on. So you should be able to give some real life examples. So I'll wait, I'll show you something. It's not a very good practice to do, but wait, let me show you. So my current project is something, thank God none of the names are here. Okay. This is the dev environment,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll show you what all we are doing. So all these have been created by us.
Okay.
I just removed this filter out admin, and if you see the count, it's huge.
Mm-hmm.
99. Oh wow,
Mm-hmm.
nice. So one more and it will be 100. See sickness, gender diversity, reference request, parenting, pension, flexible working, propose a new project, notes,
Mm-hmm.
interest-free loans, anything, resignation, everything. So I
Mm-hmm.
will also guide you through all these things. I believe rather than just going by theory, and that is the reason you guys are taking this,
yeah.
training.
Yeah.
Otherwise, why would you need? You would have gone through a ServiceNow course itself if you wanted to go through the theory.
Yeah, so
Definitely.
the thing I
Yep. Yep.
wanted to ask was the same. So that like an incident for us to work on, or a case, or a task for us to work on, or maybe building an automation that on our PDIs, because the PDI is robust. I have worked on a couple
Hmm.
of like ITSM
Yes,
tasks
it
with
is.
it is robust. So I thought like so those things like maybe on the second or third class, if we start doing that every day, a particular thing, maybe
First
we
day.
can, yeah, post class we can,
Yes. So,
yeah,
like, if you want to take away, like, I do not know if this is going ahead anywhere or not, to be honest. I'll go and ask these peoples, uh, you know, my team, that where is it going, because they also might be having, this is a demo call. I don't know what
yeah,
my impression is on you guys or them. So,
Yeah.
oh yeah, yeah,
but, uh, you know, if it goes well, well and good. If it doesn't, then also it would be a good thing to do. Today, go back, create a record producer for the
Mm-hmm.
incident form,
mm,
Mm-hmm.
all of you,
Okay.
Okay.
and check three things. I can put it in the chat from
Yes, please.
HRSD. See, record producer is something you guys
Mm-hmm.
are going to do
okay,
uh, for the incident that comes under ITSM. But
Mm-hmm.
to check out a few things for yourself, check out the out of the box HR services. What are first question would be this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what are the tables for HR service. Or sorry, it must be. Can I edit it? Yes.
Yes.
Tables for HR services. How HR service is related to COE. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what are HR templates? And play around with templates, the ones which comes out of the box.
Okay.
Okay.
This will be the first initial thing you do.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
So
Uh, you're trying to paste that in the.
it's on the chat. Do you guys see it?
Oh
Yes,
yeah,
Pep.
I see.
Yeah,
Yeah, I see.
we can
Thank
see
you.
it.
Thank you. Yeah.
Maybe you guys take a picture of it, and because this will be lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, I did
so
take screenshot.
I can do these kind of things. I can create some templates,
Mhm.
and also I'll discuss with the team internally. Then they can get back to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Nice.
Anything else? Sai did say he did not have any questions. Arun asked his. Karthik,
Oh.
any questions?
Actually, I have the same. I was having the same question. Whether
The,
moving further, will you be giving any tasks so that we could
so that we
explore
can
it
Yeah.
hands-on
hands-on?
experience.
Yeah. So anyhow,
Uh-huh.
Arun has asked the question, so I'm
Yeah.
clear with it.
Yeah. Okay. And also, what I can do is like, because I write solutions, I can show you guys something, which has happened on my project and all, and I can show you those things so that you see and learn
Yeah.
Oh, that would be great.
that how things have been. Because there are certain things, some integrations which you can never ever do on your PDIs, but at least you can see
Mhm.
them on live
Yeah.
environment.
Yeah, exactly. Because like for some integrations, we can use the Postman as a testing and like let us know whether it is working or it is sending data or not. But so the task it becomes is when we are integrating ServiceNow with
Hmm.
external systems like Workday or SAP, we are unable to confirm whether the received data from the other side is.
Hmm.
I mean, we can test the Postman with the like is the connection
Hmm.
established or is the
Hmm.
data being shared, but we are unable to verify if
Hmm.
the other system is receiving the same as
Yeah.
how it's supposed to kind of scenario. So,
I can
so
show you
yeah.
one or two integrations here because we will be discussing more on HRSD and not exactly the integrations, right?
Hmm.
So, like, I can show
Yeah,
you
yeah.
real life, but yes, I think that would be a good thing to do.
Yes, Palak. Yeah, I get that. Like that can really be helpful
Okay.
for us to understand.
And what time are you guys available?
Uh, like today we joined at 8 p.m. right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like a little late, would that is that an issue for you to maybe if we plan a meeting maybe at 8:30 p.m. or else like what
30.
is your comfortable thing this I want to inquire.
For me, it would be good either to have it and at like, but it would be a hassle to get up in the morning around 8. Or
Mm-hmm.
I would suggest let's have it around 9 in the night
Yeah.
because
It's
it is going to be an hour's call every day, right?
okay.
Yeah, so when you say in the like okay, so 8 p.m. IST would sound good.
9 p.m.
9
9 p.m.
p.m. Yeah.
9 p.m. IST would sound good.
Yeah. 9 p.m. Happy birthday. Yes.
Yeah, then we can do that. 9 p.m. IST is definitely
Fine
something
for
that
all
we
of
can
us.
like. Yeah.
Yes. No.
Nobody has to get up early in the morning.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I'm a late riser. Sorry.
it's okay. I didn't know you stay in US?
No. I'm staying here. I
Okay.
was in US earlier. Like I
Okay.
went there
Oh.
for 1.5 years.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
That's
that's
it.
mm-hmm.
Then I came back.
Mhm.
You didn't like it there?
Um, you're asking me personally? No, I
No,
did
no.
not. No, I'm telling
Yeah.
you, no, I did not. Because first of all, I had free hands to come back
Mm-hmm.
because I was not bound by any loans or anything, firstly.
Mm-hmm.
And secondly, the worst thing which I did not like there is that if somebody says something to you, you cannot answer them back. because I was in San Francisco, so that is a very where gun violence and all is very common, very popular. You
Oh
don't
yeah,
know who has a gun, so you
yeah,
don't
and
want to get into any kind of issues.
trouble. Yeah,
Yeah, and it's not your country. Even if you are
Yeah.
right, nobody will support you.
yeah. I mean, like the main issue would be like staying alive before we argue who's right and who's wrong. So that would be the
Exactly. First of
yeah,
all, you need to stay alive, and even if you're alive, nobody
yeah.
is going to support you. Like, I have seen people there who have been living there for 3 generations, and still people call them, oh, you are Indian, and they look down upon them. I did not like it.
Okay, makes a point.
Here I am free. Here I can call my brothers just a call
Great.
away.
Yeah,
So,
that's definitely an advantage we definitely have over here than
yeah. And you will, once you switch, you'll get to know money is not that bad in India.
Yes, sir.
there.
Yeah. Freedom plus money, it makes life easy.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Okay,
So,
guys.
so, uh,
Yes, sorry.
so it's so we have an idea on the time, so we know what's our syllabus going to be like, and
Yes.
so like what is the duration of time approximately that it would take for us to understand these things more clearly? Like maybe like how long will we?
Sai had some discussions with someone, right? So I'm not
Okay,
pretty sure what the
okay.
timelines would be. I would like personally, I prefer quality over time. So we
Mm-hmm.
make sure that we complete things well.
Okay, that makes
And
Okay.
yeah.
yeah,
Okay, that was one thing I was
days how.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That.
okay. I mean,
They
like
were.
they're looking
They,
forward once we confirm our
Hmm. Yeah, I
so
think maybe
an
because
approval
these
from
things are not discussed with me.
yeah. So once
Okay.
we give an approval from you and from your side and our side, maybe then they can comprehend a timeline about like how
Right.
many days and like how can they can accommodate these 30 hours of training into this and like then give us a schedule kind of a thing, and then that's how we'll
Yeah.
get it.
Personally, I would prefer we go by the, s- you know, this HRSD course by ServiceNow, right?
Mm-hmm.
okay.
So what I'll do is I'll pick those up,
Hmm.
and what we can do is we can, I'll explain to them, not in French. That is what ServiceNow writes. In plain,
Mhm.
simple English with real life examples. I think that would
Okay.
be a good because if I go on, okay, so it's 18, 19, 20, 20 hours. No, yeah, almost 9 and 10, 19, almost 20 hours of course if
Mm-hmm.
I see it. No, it
Hmm.
says HRSD 6, 10 hours, 10 hours, and then it says, oh, implementer is huge. It's a 6 days course.
Yeah, you mean the on-demand one? Or?
It's yeah, the on-demand one, yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So if I go through, like, let's take the route of that how it can be done, the steps, because it's very good. They tell you what needs to be learned first and what goes after that. And
Yeah.
then I can show you real life examples, real life things, and I think then it would be good. And I can give you tasks every day.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys will crack the interview.
Yeah, we hope so.
Yeah.
I'm sure, not hoping.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, yep.
We
Okay.
need to.
Okay. Okay,
Uh,
guys, then yeah, you were saying something, Karthik?
No, man.
Please call me Palak.
Yeah. Okay, Palak.
Okay. And I'll speak with Anusha. Maybe she'll get back to both of us.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
thanks for your time.
Thanks for your time.
Completely my
Really
pleasure.
appreciate.
Take care.
Yeah.
You too, ma'am.
Okay. See you soon. Bye bye. No,
Bye.
ma'am, Palak, please.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, Palak.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. I'll take leave. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.